Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Insha Sadiq with my partners. Today we are here to discuss on a topic that's about sports. Sports have the power to inspire, to unite individuals. By playing sports, we have many benefits like regular exercise, the diseases they will minimize day by day. And here are my partners. They want to elaborate this topic, so I want to prefer this topic. Nasir Nisa, she is from Zarhama. She is studying in class 8 in Peace Education Institute in Kafara.
Thank you, Insha, for giving me this opportunity. According to me, our body is like a machine. A machine cannot work without oil. In same way, our body cannot work without exercises, sports, etc. They give us energy to work. Some of the people think that the aim of students is to study and playing is not important for them. But it is not true. There is another view. Some of the people think that the aim of students is study, but playing is also very important for them. We all are students and it is our duty to study, but not much study. Only studying and no play can make us bored. And without interest, efficiency declines. So at last I want to say that a sound mind in a sound body works better than ailing and pasty mind.
Thanks. She wants to say that it's important for students because without sports, the student feel boring. So it's important to play sports for the mentally fit. So here is Rutba Rahman. She is from Ladarwan. So I want to prefer this topic to her.
Thank you, Insha Sadiq, for giving me this opportunity. So sports are necessary because it brings physical and mental fitness to the person involved in this on regular basis.
No.
Sports bring discipline in life. It teaches the way of sitting, talking, walking, etc. Without sports in human life, it seems too boring. Sports activate all the cells and keep the body active, fit and slim. Sports reduce all the stress of the mind and makes the man fit. You can see that the busy man that the person that have a busy stool in their life get tired very easily. So you can start any sports activity like badminton, cricket, gymming, etc. It will help you to combat anxiety, make you happier and more content, and enable you to live a healthy life. At least I want to request teachers and parents should also encourage their children to participate in at least one sport.
She mentioned a great point, that is by playing sports, we will reduce the anxiety, the depressions that we are getting from study or when we depress. By sports, we will feel free. So here is Sadia. She is from Ladarwan. She is studying class 8 in Peace Education Institute Ladarwan Kafara. So she wants to mention her point.
Thank you, Insha. According to me, sports are a great way to end health. Sports are very important part of life. They teach us how to defeat enemies and how to celebrate victories. It keeps us healthy and fit. Games makes us bold and confident. It offers us a change from the daily life. It gives us sense discipline and fair play. Sports are a great way to act and have a fun.
Thanks. She mentioned a great point that by playing sports, we get the knowledge of how to control our emotions and how to behave the opponents of our in our ground. So here is Rutba. She is from Zarhama. She is a student of Peace Education Institute of Kafara. She wants to add some points according to her.
Thank you, Insha Sadiq. Sports are very necessary part of life. They are useful for both our mind and body. Physically, we become healthy. Mentally, we become disciplined. Games make us bold and confident. They develop in us a spirit of cooperation. They teach us to fight in a healthy spirit. A player games with his enemies in the playground. Sports are very important to keep our healthy mentally and physically. Sports are very important for every class. It gives energy to our mind and our body. Remains happy. We should give time to support every day so that we can lead a healthy life. Supports in a mental, physical development in children. Nowadays, the role of sports is becoming high in schools and college. Thank you.
So she wants to say that By playing supports, we will become a bold and confident. We will become a mentally fit, and we will feel happily if we will play supports. So here is Afia Bashir. She is from Radharvan. She is studying class 8 in Peace Education Institute Radharvan Kapwara. So she wants to add some great points to this topic.
Thank you, Insha. Playing sports and games help students improve their self-esteem, social skills, and confidence. It also teaches about time management and confidence. Moreover, it can be used as a career path or hobby besides it. It helps students reduce stress and depression. It is necessary for work and development. Thank you.
Thanks. She mentioned a point that by playing supports, we get the knowledge of how to control our emotions and how to be in resilience. And at last, I want to say that playing supports, it will make us a bold, confident, and we will become more resilient. And we came to know about the knowledge of how to defeat the opponents and how to control our emotions in the field. So, participate in supports. You will feel that how it is important.